Okay, so I just spent 3 months and literally $2,847 testing every single AI tool for marketing that exists in 2025. And NGL, 80% of them are straight up trash. But here's the thing that's actually insane. The tools everyone's hyping up, they're not even in the top 3 that actually work. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe. We post every week. So here's what nobody tells you about AI tools for marketing. Most of them are just ChatGPT with a fancy wrapper and a monthly subscription. No cap. I tested 23 different tools, from the big names like Jasper and Copy.ai to weird ones you've never heard of. And the results? They hit different than what every guru is telling you. The honest truth is that 90% of marketers are getting scammed right now. They're paying $50 plus per month for tools that do the same thing as free alternatives. Let's start with the ones everyone talks about. Jasper AI, Copy.ai, and ChatGPT Plus. I ran the exact same campaign through all 3. Jasper AI costs $49 a month. I used it for email sequences, social media posts, and ad copy. The output? Honestly mid. It sounds like every other AI-generated content out there. Copy.ai is $36 monthly. Similar vibes. Generic, boring, and low-key sounds robotic. Your audience can tell it's AI from a mile away, but wait, the best part is coming up. ChatGPT Plus at $20? Actually slapped harder than both of them. Better prompts, more creative output, and it's literally half the price. If this is helpful so far, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Now here are the secret weapons nobody talks about. These are the AI tools for marketing that actually changed everything for me in 2025. First up, Claude Pro. $20 a month, and it writes better marketing copy than any tool I've tested. The emotional intelligence is actually insane. Second, Perplexity Pro for research. $20 monthly, but it finds competitor insights that would take you hours manually. I found 3 viral content angles in 10 minutes. Third, this is the game changer. Notion AI combined with their databases. It's only $10 extra if you already use Notion, but it creates entire content calendars with SEO keywords built in. Here's what nobody talks about. I tracked everything. Open rates, click rates, conversion rates, engagement. The numbers don't lie. Using Jasper, 2.3% email open rate improvement. Meh. Using Copy.ai actually decreased engagement by 0.8%. Yikes. Using ChatGPT Plus with good prompts, 34% improvement in social media engagement. Using Claude Pro, 67% better email click-through rates. The pattern became clear. The expensive marketing-specific tools were getting beaten by general AI tools with better prompting. But here's the secret sauce. Combining tools is where the magic happens. I use Claude for writing, Perplexity for research, and ChatGPT for ideation. Total cost? $60 monthly. Most people pay $150 plus for worse results with single tools. So who actually wins in 2025? Not what you think. The winners aren't the people with the most expensive AI tools for marketing. They're the ones who understand that prompting skills matter more than the tool itself. I've seen people create viral content with free ChatGPT because they know how to prompt it right. Meanwhile, others waste hundreds on premium tools and get garbage output. The real game changer? Learning prompt engineering. It's literally more valuable than any subscription you can buy. Here's my honest review and tutorial recommendation for 2025. Start with ChatGPT Plus, master prompting. Then add Claude Pro for advanced copywriting. Only after you've maxed those out should you consider the expensive marketing-specific tools. The truth about AI tools for marketing in 2025? Most are overhyped and overpriced, but the right combination of general AI tools with solid prompting skills, that's where the real results happen. Stop falling for the marketing hype. Start with the basics. Master the fundamentals, then scale up. Drop a comment and tell me what's the most you've ever spent on an AI marketing tool that didn't work. I'm genuinely curious because some of these prices are actually wild. Hit subscribe if you want more honest AI tool reviews like this. Next week, I'm testing AI tools for content creation, and the results are even more surprising. I'll see you in the next one.